Here are some two Otis Gen 2 MRLs at Brisbane City Hall. Got a few Otis badge. Do a cavity. Lift number 8, maximum load 1600 kilos, 21 persons. Red Dewhurst, US 90-15.
Third floor.
Basement's locked. As the staff access only.
Ground floor.
You going up? To which level? Okay.
Yeah, I had a heart attack. Yeah, no, I had a heart attack about 3 months ago. I was knocked out and it was left.
Where'd you come this day?
Yeah, we woke up to the top of thinking, there's something going on, but there's no way. Because it was just so narrow.
Third floor.
You guys have a great day. We've got a level 2 and end it.